if you go into this particular copyright protection and artificial intelligence, a few cases, if you the landmark cases are there. Monkey selfie case, probably you are very well aware about that particular. That is Naruto versus Latter cases there. So you know that case, that here by mistake that monkey has taken that particular camera and then the photo was clicked, and then the that animal welfare that association, they have said that yes, you should grant patent to the Naruto and all that. So that discussion was there, obviously, but not because human. That is very important. So obviously that patent was not that the copyright was not allowed, but that because as per Copyright Act, photographer is the author. Here monkey is a photographer because it is a selfie click by mistake by that particular monkey. But as per law, human is the author. So because of that, this case become very popular, but obviously that is not allowed. Then the next is like a Getty Images versus stability. Now this issue is little very interesting actually. What happened in this particular Getty Images, you can just check here. Getty Images is very, you can say if you visit Getty Images, they are very much, we can say, appreciate that copyright, and they are very particular about their copyrights. Okay. Now stability AI, they have taken a Getty Images, they have fed the machine with the Getty Images without the permission, right? And obviously Getty Images filed case against them, and that is not acceptable. And you probably have heard about the many cases that content creators, the musicians, right, or the lyricists, they are objecting, especially in USA. You can see that move, that they are filing case against that big giants, because without permissions that songs, that particular literature is like that machine is using, for that machine training that particular content is used without permission. So that is the one thing that is very important. Means another aspect with the copyright is coming this, that without permission the training of that machine is done by using the, at least they should have taken a licenses. So now you can just see the trend that lot of licenses are like people are going for licensing instead of going into that trouble of litigation and then the brand image damage and all that thing. People, that the companies are preferring to take a licenses from the data owners, so that such kind of issues not happen. Okay, so this is a kind of a scenario. Now what happens that when we are talking about this ChatGPT, Bard, or that Mid-Journey, right? So here what is happening that obviously the literary, they are creating literary work that they are giving you that inputs in the form of that particular, whatever questions you are asking, you are getting answers. How they are getting that particular answer? Obviously data is like used for that particular. So data is oil, and that particular sentences which are very common right now in this era. So you can just imagine the scenario with this AI perspective. Now we will appreciate this particular thing considering now artificial intelligence.